Discuss about method overloading and type promotion. Method overloading, I was already told you in the previous video, same name methods but different kind of number of parameters or data type of parameters may be different, vary in the both or many of the methods declared in the same class. And now we'll discuss about type promotion. Type promotion word itself says that you are increasing or promoting or demoting a data type of a variable declared in your method. Okay, now just look at that's what we are going with. We have this byte, short, int, long, float. Well, now what is this? It says that you can convert a byte to short, an int to float, an int to double, an int to long, and a character to int with this type promotion in method overloading. Now just see what will happen afterwards. Let's see an example for method overloading of a type promotion. Okay, in this example you can see there is a class calculation void sum int a long b. Now long is a data type which have a larger bit amount than int, and void sum int a, int b, int c. Now it's clearly differentiable of both, that is has 2 elements and it has 3 elements, but we have to experiment that what is type promotion, so we are taking this example. So next step, we are creating calculation object that will call off the function object.sum 2020. Now it's pretty much clear that both 2020 are integer type, but there is no method declared which has both parameters integer. Either it has 3 or either it has 2, but it is one long and one is int, so it must be a confusion time, but the compiler has a solution for that, and it says that it will promote the int a to int long. Now the data type of both are long, so it is promotion for one parameter, and it says the output 4060. There is no confusion in this part because all the 3 parameters are integer, as this is perfectly invoked in this type of function, so no promotion here, but the promotion was for int a to long b. If you understand this, let's just get to the next part, and the next part says if okay, this is the first type which says that if you got a match, and by match we know that by the match it was pretty much clear that this method belongs, this statement belongs to this method and this statement belongs to this method. Okay, but the question arises, if there was no matching at all, means you are not able to differentiate between what function is actually gonna invoke. So let's just look at this example. We got some int a, int b, we got some int long a, long b. Both have two arguments, one is perfectly int and one is perfectly long. So when the invoking time in the main function, you gotta call object.sum 2020. Now the compiler is exactly want to do is both are integers, and it's perfectly log on to the first function int a, int b. It's a perfect match, everything is gonna match. 2020 both integer, gonna invoke that and fine output is there. But if you got this, if you got a problem like this, you got int long and long int, both have 2 arguments corresponding alternate to each other. One has int, one has long, and another also has a long, another has an int, and invoking time we have 2020. The compiler will confuse and give a compile time error. Hope you'll know why the error, what is the error, and the error is why it is invoked, why compiler gave us an error, and it is because it got confused that did he have to promote or demote to which kind of function. That is called ambiguity time of compile time error. So that's what for this video, and hope you like it. Goodbye.